Kajing bu umtrang ya ka CM Fan Park da ka giant screen hamaran Polo ban Peit World Cup kelawan ra kajing syang shit puk ya Peit ba kanong ba Shillong kumbaju tip kanong ba Shillong bar kejelam gaya kadai ke ba ba ya football bat ha kajing akai bla dep klapan kham ngia smam hado ba ki babun ba ki Peit ba kim yo rung shu ha ka Fan Park ba ki ha ban ap shabar ba Leit phai klem jing sneu hun kumta mataka sri tang ba ala bu sakawai ke giant screen khanang ban yo lut paro kinang petkai khem jing thut hakati jaka hamadan pelu hak jing akai ba de palat kumbasan hajar ngor paj ba gra tu sikati jaka ban pe yak football ha kati jaka ba pen kre ba ka jing akai final hapdeng ke Argentina ba ke Spain rak mil enti bakan saki ya ke jingwan kinong petkai ban kot om dunai ke sipau hajar ngor kajing penbena syuti trang ba kon sang ma ya school bagi college Malaysia ke sengi nengtong khnang ban ailat ya samla ban pej hun ya ke final ke world cup kan nang pen kemen shu ya samla ban lej pej ya world cup klem kano kano ke jing sngeu thut shu.
Hi everyone, I have some good news, especially for our football lovers. Apart from the fact that Spain and Argentina have made it to the finals, and also the wonderful response we got for the CM Fan Park, I would like to inform all of you that I have decided that tomorrow, Monday, will be a holiday for all educational institutions, including schools and colleges. As we know, that football is a passion and is a way of life in our state. And in order to allow our youngsters to truly enjoy it, we have come to this decision. Enjoy the finals and wish you all the very best. Thank you.